Hello everybody, I'm Bob and this is Thailand. Ask my friend. This video was inspired by Ian Landsman, who has an interesting channel as he is a motor vlogging philosopher, and suggested that I put together this particular series of clips. Here's hats off, Ian. Good job, mate. I ran across an unusual and fascinating Buddhist temple out in the very rural areas of Chiang Mai. I'm not sure I could find it again. What made it special was there was a monk who more or less adopted me for the time I was doing the video. So let's take a look.
Mural here.
This is a chedi, or a stupa. It is mistakenly called a pagoda at times, but that's not entirely accurate. This one has got a splendid mural of the life of Buddha on the inside of the round part on the ground floor. I've probably photographed and shot close to 100 temples in Asia in the last 7 years. Although many have similar features, they mostly have some unique features as well. While riding my motorcycle around in the very rural Thailand, I stumbled across this very unique temple's chedi. I met a monk who enthusiastically gave me a guided tour and pointed out some stuff I might have otherwise missed, including the mural in the chedi. For instance, I never had before seen temple guard statues depicted as sleeping. A chedi, or stupa, is usually the site of sacred artifacts from Buddha's life or the remains of persons important in Buddhism. From outside it looked very dark, so I set about to shoot the sanctuary and grounds. My newfound friend patiently waited while I shot the sanctuary and then led me to the chedi again. The centerpiece was this distinguished figurine. Then I saw the mural wrapped around the entire room. When I got closer, I was amazed by both the incredible detail, but more so, the content surprised me as well. I was amazed. had a good time, a good ride, and everything else. And now it's time to say thank you to a couple of my favorite moto vloggers and take it on and get some supper. Thanks for watching. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe, and have a great whatever you have.